Hello students, today we are going to learn the first chapter of algebra, linear equations in two variables. Now let's know about the great mathematician Gabriel Cramer. Yes, Gabriel Cramer, born on 31st July 1704. He was a Swiss mathematician. He born in Geneva. At 18 years of old, he received his doctorate, and at 20 years of old, he was a co-chair of mathematics at the University of Geneva. In 1750, he published Cramer's rule, and that was my favorite thing in my high school year. This rule gave a general formula for the solution for any unknown in linear equation system, having a unique solution in terms of determinants implied by the system. So, don't forget that maths is everywhere. Enjoy the math. Cramer's rule, that means determinant method. So, here D represents the determinant. So, determinant is written as the two columns and two rows A, B and C, D. So, the value of determinant is represented by capital D equal to just cross multiplication and subtraction AD minus BC. So, here we can write determinant D equal to AD minus BC. Now, these type of examples will ask for 2 marks. For example, find the value of determinants. Let us take the first example. Minus 1, A equal to minus 1, 7 and 2 and 4. So, let us find the value of this determinant. So, formula is that AD minus BC. So, here we can write minus 1 into 4 minus 2 into 7. So, minus 1 into 4 becomes minus 4 minus 14. So, that will become minus 18. So, here value of determinant A equal to minus 80. Now, let's take another example. We have to find the value of determinant B, 7 by 3, 5 by 3 and 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So, that is equal to just cross multiply and subtract 7 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 5 by 3 into 3 by 2. So, here by multiplication we get 7 by 6 minus 15 by 6. Here denominator is same. So, we can write 7 minus 15 divided by 6. So, 7 minus 15 becomes minus 8 upon 6. So, by dividing 2, by simplifying this ratio, we get determinant B equal to minus 4 by. Let us find the formula of Cramer's rule. Two linear equations a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2 are given. Then first find the value of determinant D. Capital D equal to, write in columns a1, a2 and another column b1, b2. Now find the value of determinant D1 or called it as dx. So write in columns C1, C2 and B1, B2. Again find the value of determinant D2 or called it as dy equal to, write in columns A1, A2 and C1, C2. After finding the value of three determinants, we can find the value of x and y. So write x equal to d1 upon d and y equal to d2 upon d. Let us solve the following simultaneous equations by using Cramer's rule. First equation is given 4x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0 and second 6x equal to 8 minus 5y. First we have to write this equation in standard form. For example, ax plus by equal to c. So let us write first equation 4x plus 3y equal to 4, and second equation becomes 6x plus 5y equal to 8. Now find the value of determinant D. Write in first column coefficient of x and in second column coefficient of y with their sign. So write in first column 4, 6 and in second column 3 and 5. So by cross multiplication and subtraction we get 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. So 20 minus 18. Answer will be determinant D equal to 2. Now let us find the value of determinant dx. So here we have to write first column the value of constant and in second column the coefficients of y. So write in first column 4, 8, in second column 3, 5. Then we get dx equal to 4 into 5 minus 3 into 8. So dx equal to 20 minus 24. So dx equal to minus 4. Now let us find the value of determinant dy. So for finding the value of determinant dy, here we have to take in first column the coefficient of x and in second column constants. So write in first column 4, 6, in second column 4, 8. So we get dy equal to 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6 equal to 32 minus 24. So dy equal to 8. Now after finding this value of three determinants d, dx and dy, let us find the value of x and y respectively. Now x equal to dx upon d. So write x equal to minus 4 divided by 2, we get value of x equal to minus 2. And y equal to dy upon d. So write y equal to 8 divided by 2. So we get value of y equal to 4. Now let us write the solution. Solution is first write the value of x then y. So solution is minus 2